Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
All the demigods from the upper, lower and middle universal planetary systems assembled at the altar of the Rajsuya sacrifice performed by Maharaj Yudhishthir. After seeing the beautiful bodily features of Lord Kṛṣṇa, they all contemplated that he was the ultimate dexterous creation of Brahma, the creator of human beings. There was nothing comparable to the bodily features of Lord Kṛṣṇa when he was present in this world. The most beautiful object in the material world may be compared to the blue lotus flower or the full moon in the sky, but even the lotus flower and the moon were defeated by the beauty of the bodily features of Lord Kṛṣṇa, and this was certified by the demigods, the most beautiful living creatures in the universe. The demigods thought that Lord Kṛṣṇa, like themselves, was also created by Lord Brahma, but in fact Brahma was created by Lord Kṛṣṇa. It was not within the power of Brahma to create the transcendental beauty of the Supreme Lord. No one is the creator of Kṛṣṇa, rather he is the creator of everyone. As he says in Bhagavad Gita,